In this video, I'm going to introduce multiplication of fractions and whole numbers. I'm just going to go through a few problems today with you guys. The first one is what this is going to look like with a model. So I'm going to draw out this model here. And shade in two fractions. So first thing, pretend that is even, sorry. This shows 2/3, and this one shows 2/3. So in this unit, we're gonna be multiplying sometimes fractions times whole numbers. So you can see here, I've got 2/3 two times. If I added 2/3 plus 2/3, I get 4/3. In this model, I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4/3, so you can see that. And then of course, 4/3 simplifies to 1 and 1/3. So sometimes the models are going to look like this. I'll show you another one. So on this one, I'm using circles. I'm going to use another color to show the fractional part. So this is showing 1/4, and it's 4 times. I could add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, but that gets annoying. This is just 1/4 times 4. And you can see here I have 4/4, and 4/4 is equal to 1 whole. Some of the models are going to look like this, and you'll see circles, and I like to make X's because they're easy to draw out. But you'll see arrays such as this. So this is a group here, and I know a 3x4 array shows 12 in this array. So if I circle this part right here, I have circled one row of 1, 2, 3, 4, actually columns. So if you think about, like, if I circle 1 and I draw this out here, you can see that this is showing 1/4. So 1/4 of 12 is equal to 1/4 times 12. You'll see this in word problems a lot. If it's a fraction of a whole number, that means you multiply. And the number here, 1, 2, 3, is my answer. I'll show you one more that looks like that. Sometimes the columns will be circled like this, and sometimes they'll be going the other way, but it's okay, you can figure it out. All right, so this is a 3x15 array. I know that 3 times 5 is 15, sorry. So there's 15 x's. And I can also circle a group this way. Well, a lot of people will see, okay, well, I know the answer is 5, and you'll get stuck on the 5, but you have to pay attention to the fraction of the 15. Yeah, the answer is 5, but you've got to look at what the group is. The group is 1 of 3. This is 1/3 of 15, which is the same as 1/3 times 15, which equals 5. And you can see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's in my group, and the circled group is your answer. The fractional part is how you split up the group into the arrays. And we are going to work on this more later today.